Welcome to Sea Lake Journeys. Thanks for joining us today as we sail into Old San Juan in Puerto Rico on the Sun Princess. This is the regular speed of the ship coming into the port, but at the 1 minute mark I'll speed it up to 8 times the speed. If you've never been to San Juan, we suggest you go. It's a great place, and we have several videos from there. One will take you through a tour of all the forts, and another one where we show you our favorite spot for lunch, and still another one with a bus tour through the city. I'm slowing back down to just double speed here so you can get a little bit of a good look here at the independence of the seas from Royal Caribbean. We had a long day in the port of San Juan, Puerto Rico today, so we're leaving after dark. So we hope you enjoy leaving the port here on the Sun Princess and the nighttime view. We are Select Journeys. Please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thanks.